I have to protect my hair so that when I come back and show you my hair, I have something to show. Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be part of KiHiVE. And hello to all new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, so today's video is going to be real quick, real short, and informative for you all. So I'm going to be sharing with you all what my regimen is for 2019 as far as my hair is concerned, because I know a lot of people like to ask what I'm going to do with my hair. So this is what I've got planned so far. So this year is going to be the year of protective styling for me for most of the year because I have a lot of stuff going on. I don't have a lot of time to do my hair. So the best way for me to keep all the length that I have and not worry about it breaking off is by keeping it tucked away and moisturized. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll be wearing mostly wigs. Do some box braids in the summer or the springtime to not wear wigs, but I haven't decided yet. But most of them will be wearing wigs. Now when I wear my wigs, I will be wearing them for about a month and a half, and I'll keep my braids in for that long. Every 2 weeks, I'm going to cleanse my scalp with the braids still in to make sure I don't have any buildup on top of my scalp. And then on like the 4th or the 6th week, I will take down my braids and do my entire wash day, which I will link up here so y'all can see how I do that. And then I'll just keep doing that over and over again. This will help me retain length. I've already kind of started it starting in December, and I've noticed that I've been retaining a lot of length because I'm not in my hair a lot, and my hair is still completely moisturized because it's in the braids, and I moisturize it really well before I put my braids in. Now, this is not to say I'm not going to be doing any hair videos this year. It's just they won't be so much tutorial based. I will probably be doing more product review type videos when I do wash my hair, so you all can see how the products work on my hair. As far as hair tutorials go, I haven't really decided if I want to do those because there's so many tutorials out there that I don't want my channel to become another hair tutorial channel. I mean, y'all know there's like 50 billion videos on how to do a twist out, braid out, flexi rod set, perm rod set. They're all out there, and I don't know if I just want my channel to be that. So which is why I do more talking type of videos, because I think that allows me to connect with you all, and not just you seeing me do my hair all the time. But I do want y'all to see my hair. I'll also be doing the rice water treatments once a month as well to keep up with that, and I'll show you all my hair in February because I have a lot of other stuff going on in January that I won't have time to do it right now. But trust, I am keeping my scalp clean, I am retaining length, and I will show you all. And also I'll be measuring my hair, so it's kind of like a protective style challenge, growth challenge, you know, all in one. So let me know down below what you all are doing for your hair this year. Are you going to be trying to wear it out more? Are you going to be trying to protect it more? Are you going to try different styles? Let me know what you're doing. I'd love to hear you all's thoughts, comments, what you think about what I'm going to be doing. This is good for me because, again, this year is a lot going on, so I have to protect my hair so that when I come back and show you my hair, I have something to show. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share this with all your friends. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video, you guys.